Hey guys, welcome to Clicks Before Coffee, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to install the Google Analytics tag. Now I'm not only going to walk you through the process of installing the tag through a tag manager or manually. I'm also going to show you how to create a property for Google Analytics 4 and also a website data stream. So I have my screen ready where I have my dummy website and I have the Google Analytics account as well. I will create the account so that you can see from scratch, and let's go ahead and let's take a look at how this is done. So we have got our website in front of us. This is the dummy website that I am using. This is actually the WordPress admin page, and this is our dummy website that I will be using for Google Analytics setup. I will show you the setup of analytics on this website. Now, to first create the analytics account, what we need to do is we need to open a browser. On Google, you can type in Google Analytics. So I will type in Google Analytics or Analytics 4. Then you will see that there will be a lot of options. You need to click on the options which says Google Analytics. So here I have got Google for developers, Google Analytics. I can click on the Google Analytics, and here you will see it says on the top right hand side, go to analytics. So I will click on go to analytics. Now, because I have been using analytics for a long time, I will see my analytics account pop up. Now, if you have already synced your email address, that is your Gmail email address or your Google account with your browser, you will be able to see that it will automatically pull up your analytics account. And this is how you will see the interface of analytics. Now, in case if you have not yet created an account, it is very simple. You just need to click on go to analytics and follow the steps. It's a few things that the system will ask you. After that, you will be able to access your own analytics account. The only thing that you need to do is you need to create a property. Now, in case if you are very new to analytics and you're creating the analytics account for the first time, then what you will see is you will directly see the option to create a property. Okay, now I will show you how this looks like. So for that, what we need to do is I'll just click on create. I'll click on account, right? Why am I clicking on account? Because I need to show you how to create a new account. In case if you already have an account, then you will be able to see the option to create properties. So I have clicked on create account, and here you will see it's asking me for a few details. It is asking me for the account name. What are you going to name your account? Now I can call it anything. I can call it Clicks Before Coffee. Okay, and I will scroll down. You will see that it will ask you for account data sharing settings. Now there are a few check boxes here. Just go through them once and see which ones that you would like to take, which one not. Like, why are you using analytics? Basically it is asking you to check all those boxes, right? So, do you own a Google product or service, or do you have tools where you are using the services of Google? In that case, you can check the first one as well. Like, share your Google Analytics data with Google to help improve Google's product and services. Turning on this setting enables Google to better understand patterns of user behavior and expectations. So, for example, in case if you have Google Ads, you can switch on this option as well, and that will help you merge your Google Ads account into your Analytics account, and then you can do even more tracking from Google Ads to Google Analytics, and at the same time you can use both platforms data to your advantage. So after that, what we will do is we'll scroll down and we will click on next. Once you have clicked on next, you will see something like this: property details. You will have to put the property name. What is the property name? You can name it on your website basically. So I can call it Clicks Before Coffee property. Okay, now we have already discussed what is a property, what is a data stream, so you should not have any confusions on what a property is. and you have to then put the time zone you are in. I'm in India right now, so I will just choose India, and currency I will choose Indian rupees. So I'll go with the INR. I'm just going to type in rupee, and I think, yeah. So that's the one. Click on next, and then you will see it will ask you for business details, whether your business is small, medium, large, or very large, or what is your industry category, right? So I can say what is my industry category. I can say it is something related to education. Do I have that? Yes, jobs and education. And I have a small business, let's say. Then I can click on next. So here it will ask you to choose your business objectives. Why do you want to use analytics? Are you tracking leads, sales? Are you tracking traffic? Are you tracking user engagement, retention? I would ask you to select all of these, just not the others. In case if you select others, all of the other boxes are unchecked. Please check all these business objectives, because you never know why you want to track, what data you want to track on analytics, and it is better to check all the boxes and then create a property and data stream. So once you have chosen one business objective, you can't come back here and choose another one. So it is better to choose all of them so that you have all of these data flowing through your data stream into your property. After that, we will click on create, and once we have clicked on create, you will see that there will be some terms and conditions that you have to accept. You just need to scroll down, click on this checkbox to agree for the terms and conditions. Okay, here is the second checkbox, and then I am getting the I accept option. I click on the I accept option, and then it is taking us to the data stream that you want to create, right? This is the data stream. So you see that it's asking me to choose a platform, whether I want to create a data stream for website, I want to create a data stream for Android, or I want to create a data stream for iOS app. Okay, I have clicked on website for now. You have to put your website URL. So my website is here. This is the dummy website that we are using. So I will copy this website URL, come to analytics, and then paste it here. Okay, now the reason why it's not asking, it's saying that it's not a valid URL is because I have put the HTTPS. I copied that while I was copying the URL as well, so I will remove this. Okay, and yes, it is already HTTPS, and I will put a stream name. So this is going to be the name for the data stream. So I can say clicks before coffee web stream. Okay, so that we know this is the website data stream that we have created. Now you will see it says enhanced measurement, automatically measure interactions and content on your site in addition to standard page view measurement, right? So all of this we can control through the settings here. So whether you want to see page views or scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, form interactions, video engagement, and file downloads, you just need to tick the radio button which is beside the data that you want to measure. The only thing which is unticked or the radio button is not on is on the page views. All the others are there, you'll see, right? But I can't go ahead and I can't um, turn on the page views as well. So it says capture a page view event each time a page loads or the website changes the browser history state. Optionally turn off browser history based events under advanced setting. So you've got some advanced setting here. We will see this later on. Why is this radio button not available? For now we will just click on save. Okay, and we will click on create and continue. Once we have clicked on create and continue, you will see that our data stream is available now. Okay, and we will just need to click on next, and this is going to load. So now it's asking you to set up your Google tag. Now I said that you can set up your tag manually, or you can take the help of Google Tag Manager to do it as well. Now you will see that this says use the Google tag found on your website. So there is already a Google tag on the website. On our website, there is already a tag that we have installed. I will show it to you, but let's just go ahead and look how can we install it manually first. I will click on install manually, and you will see that there is a tag which it's asking me to copy, and this needs to go to the head section of every page of your website. And you have an option here to use Google Tag Manager, and I have got show more options. You can install with a CMS or a website builder as well, or use different Google tag. Okay, now how do you install this manually? You just need to click on the copy option here, and once you have clicked on the copy option, you just need to go to your admin dashboard, and you can come to the appearances section, and from there you can go to theme file editor. So all of your theme will be there. Okay, which ones you're using, all of that will be there. So you need to click on the one that you're using. So let's say you're using this one. I'll click on this one. Okay, and then it is going to give you all the codes that's there on the pages. So what you need to do is you need to come to header.php. This theme does not have header.php. I'll just go ahead and show you another theme that has header.php. So I'm going to change the theme here, and hopefully there I will find the header.php. I'm just going to select, and yeah, so now here you can see that I have found header.php. I'll click on header.php, and it's going to take me to header.php. This is header.php. If you see, this is going to be the header.php, and you will see that I have already got the tag implemented manually. Okay, and that is the reason why it was showing me that the tag is already found on the website. So if you have installed the tag, perfect. In case if you are having challenges implementing the tag, you can take the help of your website developer for this. Okay, next we will see how can we install the tag through the tag manager, and that is very simple. It's even simpler than this. If you already know how to operate the tag manager, you can seamlessly integrate tag manager to Google Analytics, and with the help of the measurement ID. Let's go ahead and let's look at how we can get that done. Now, setting up the tag manager and installing the tag on tag manager is pretty simple. Okay, let's go to our analytics account, and what we can do is we can just simply, let's say suppose we have already installed the tag manually, we can test the installation. And to test the installation, I just need to click on test installation, and it's going to go ahead and think about it. It says your Google tag wasn't detected on development.rliveserver.in. Try again, or email instructions, do email instructions for it, right? So the tag is already found. The reason why that came, right, that message came, is because I did not choose the first option. If I would have chosen the first option, I directly get the option to confirm here, right? So I can just click on confirm and get on with it. And in case if you are installing the tag manually, then you can check the installation through the test installation option that was there. Okay, now once you have created a data stream, you will see that it gives you a measurement ID. This is the measurement ID that we were talking about, and this is going to be very important in case if you are installing the tag through tag manager. So I'll show you how to install the tag through tag manager. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this page open, and then go to tag manager. I'm just going to simply type in tag manager here, click on enter, click on tag manager. That is the first option that we see on the Google search page, and that is going to take me over to my tag manager account. I have already linked my browser to my Google account, and it's one Google account that I'm using to create all of this. Your Google Analytics and your tag manager, they should be on the same Google account, that is using the same email address. Okay, now you see that I already have two containers in the tag manager that I have already created. Now, what are containers? Containers in tag manager is the same as properties in analytics. In this container, you will store all of the tags, the snippets that you require for your website. Okay. So for one website, you create one container only. And in that container, you have got all your tags in place. So I will click on create account. I will create a new account and a new container so that I can show you how this is done. The first option here is account name. I can click say clicks before coffee, just basically giving it a name, and then I will choose my country. I'm going with India. Okay. Now, in case if you want to share data anonymously with Google and others, you can just check this box which is there as well and then continue. Okay. Now, you have to put the container name. What is this container name? The container name is your website. So www.yourwebsite.com. Okay. Now, you will see that I have already got the option of choosing my website there. So I've chosen that. Okay. You copy and paste your website URL here. And then what is this container for? This container is for a website. It's not for an app, it's for a website. So I will go with a website container and then click on create. Now, once I have clicked on create, you will see that there will be this terms and conditions which will come up. Just need to check the terms and conditions, agree to the terms and conditions, click on yes. After you have clicked on yes, you will see something like this. Now, this is the tag that it's asking you to install once again on the head section of the website. Now, this time you've got two tags. One goes on the head section of the website, the other one goes on the body section of the website, right? And then what you need to do is you need to just simply copy this, go to your head section, okay, and you need to paste it there. Then go back to Google Tag Manager, copy the body tag, come to the body section of, so this is the body section. You will see this is the body section. Okay, so you will need to place the tag in the body section and then click on update file. The moment you click on update file, you will be able to test the installation here on Google Tag Manager. So here you will have the option to test it. So you can just go ahead and put the website URL, copy and paste the website URL here, and you can simply click on test. Okay, now the moment you click on test, it is going to show you whether this is working or not, and it says here your tag wasn't detected on the website. If it says that the tag isn't detected on the website, that means that it is not properly installed. I have not installed it. Please make sure that you do it correctly, and in case if you want to take help from your website developer, you can go ahead and do that as well, in case if this is a bit overwhelming for you. Now, after you've done that, you click on OK, and you have to place the tag, right? You have to place the tag on your website. So for that, what you need to do is, I have already told you, you can place it on the head section, on the body section. After that, in case if you come to this section, tags section on Google Tag Manager, you will see that there is an option called new. Okay, just click on new, and you have to click on this tag configuration, right? First, go ahead and name the tag. So you can say clicks before coffee. Okay, and click on tag configuration. Okay, so you are basically configuring this tag to whatever you need, whether you need it for analytics, whether you need it for Google ads, and all of the options, you will see it here. So I want to do it for Google Analytics, so I'll click on Google Analytics, Google Analytics for event. I'll click on Google Analytics for event, and this is where you paste the measurement ID. So we go back to analytics, this is the measurement ID. We can just copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, after we have pasted the measurement ID, you will see on the right hand side, it will tell you if there was a tag which was found or not. Here it says that no tag was found in this container. If you place it properly, it will give you the option to create this tag, and it will say that the tag was found. Okay, after that, simply go ahead and put a event name here, and then you can say include user provided data from your website. In case if you want to include user provided data from the website, you can check this box, and all of this is going to be further settings that you can see under the tag manager. Now, the triggering part, where do you want to trigger it? You want to trigger it to all pages of your website. So you want to fire this tag on all pages of the website. After you have done that, only then you can go ahead and save. Okay, the reason why this is not saving is because the event name and all of that has not been given. Okay, and that's the reason why this is not saving. But in case if you have set it up properly, you will be able to save it. So guys, after you have set up the Google Analytics account and you have also set up Tag Manager and you have um, configured and you have merged Google Analytics to Google Tag Manager, the last thing that you need to do is you need to come back to your Tag Manager and you click on this submit option here, right? And you can publish and create this version. You just give it a version name. You can call it anything you want. You can call it okay, whatever it is, and then you give a description and then you simply go ahead and publish. After you have published, and that takes care of it all, guys. After that you can go ahead and start measuring on Google Analytics. Okay, here you will see that it's going to give you a version summary. It's going to tell you how many tags are firing right now, how many triggers, like how many pages it's triggering, and what are the variables. Okay, so the reason why you see zero tags is because I have just showed you I have not actually placed the tags on the website, but I have shown you how to place them. So please go ahead and do it properly. Okay, and that is how basically you create your Google Analytics 4 account, the property and the data stream. In case if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be there to help. In case if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section as well, and you can ask me questions, and definitely go I'll go ahead and try to help you as much as I can. If you have liked today's video and this tutorial, please like, share, subscribe, and press that bell notification button so that you do not miss on any further lectures, videos on this series that we are creating for Google Analytics. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye.